up, Mom? I'm on top of the world! Not really, I'm on this big hill, but and there's the street there. Don't know how clear you can see it, but it needs to be a roundabout street. Right now it's a straight street on Google Maps, and it needs to be a roundabout street. Okay, let's do it.
So I got this in the email, and I'm going to see if it works on my desktop. Now we got to find the road that I need to edit. All right, here we go, guys. I'm inside of my email, clicking edit the road, and it should be fun. So I've located the road. It's Cox Road. Now I have to click edit the map, and missing address, missing place, probably add a road. And I'm gonna scoot this over, guys, because I did this on an HD screen. There you go. Now the road turns white. Now watch this. It's pretty cool. Never seen this before. I've added a name to a road, but the road was already there. There you go. And I have no idea how a roundabout looks. I thought they might give us some traffic circle examples like they do in car accidents, but I just decided to go ahead and try to design the road. And I know Google's going to do their research, which they're probably doing it now. I'm not sure why the map is that far behind, because as you see in this green space, that is a gas station and a Costco now. So I guess Westchester wasn't on the update area, but I'm waiting for you guys. That's Liberty Township, Cox Road at Liberty Road. So, and that's pretty much it. I stretched the road to what I thought it was. Now I'm looking for anything that might be able to say, here, this is what the real shape looks like. Now I'm going to submit it. And all done, guys. So what now? They got to make sure it's accurate. And I guess they got to get their drones out there. Now, I gave them a little information, a little help right here. It opened up in November, probably November 16th, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm also going to give them an address on this article as well. So right now, that gas station says this is the address. So I don't know how they did that. Is it another location? But that's the only photo there. So you can bet I'm going to get down there tomorrow and take some images and upload. And that's it. It's Greg Reese, a local guide. This is exciting. I got about 600 million views as a local guide, and now just to be able to further add places and help people in search and sharing and constructing roads. I love that. It feels good. So of course, again, they got to come on in and make it look correct, but I am the one that is giving them a good notification, and it feels good to be part of that, guys. Greg Reese, Google Local Guide. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or you need any help building your account on the Google Maps Local Guide platform, hey, leave your questions in the comments below, and I will help you as best I can. It's Greg Reese. Thank you.